Hello kids, today we are going to fly high in the sky. Let's learn about the air transportation. First is aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. It flies super fast in the sky and carries many peoples. We use it to travel far away. Next is hot air balloon. Look, a hot air balloon. It goes up slowly using hot air. People enjoy fun rides in it. Next is helicopter. Wow, this is a helicopter. It has big blades on top that spin round and round. It can land almost anywhere. Next is zeppelin. This is a zeppelin. It's a big soft balloon with a motor. Long ago, people used it to travel in style. Next is quadcopter. This little flyer is a drone or a quadcopter. It can take photos and videos from the sky. Sometimes it brings a small packages. Hooray! Now you know about air transportation. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next time. Bye bye.